Hey everyone, welcome to my very first Python tutorials. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own games in Python. So yeah, let's get started. To create a game in Python, you have to install the Pygame library in your computer. So let's see how to install that. It's very easy to install any libraries in Python. There is a command called pip to do that. So open up your command prompt and type in pip install and the library's name. Here we are installing Pygame, so Pygame, and press enter. It is saying that requirement is already satisfied because I installed it Pygame already on my computer. So this is the way pip install, or also you can uninstall Pygame. It is asking me yes or no, so yes. Okay, it's uninstalled it. Then pip install Pygame. Okay, for first time it will show like this. It will process and download the Pygame and make sure you have a good internet connection. And if the pip command is not working, then you have to add your Python's link to your environment variable, and let me show you how to do that. Right click on your this PC or my computer and go to properties, and here advanced system settings, and go to the environment variables. As you can see, here is a path. It is giving me my command prompt paths, and I added the Python 36, which means Python 3.6, and its script to my environment variable. That's why I can use my pip command. So you can add these links by new and typing, or you can copy and paste it. Or another easy way to do this, to add environment variable, like let me delete it. Delete. Now what you can do is reinstall your Python, modify it, take the pip, and in next window tick the add Python to environment variable and reinstall it. Okay, it will automatically modify it and add it to our environment variables. So let's see if it is added or not. As you can see, it is automatically added. I deleted it. After that, how you can check if it is installed or not? So go to your IDE and type in import Pygame. Yeah, Pygame 1.9.4, which is the current version of Pygame, and it is installed. That's why it is coming here. Let's see what if I uninstall the Pygame. Command prompt pip uninstall Pygame. Yes. Okay, successfully uninstalled. Then what if I import it? As you can see, no module name Pygame. So if this Pygame is not installed successfully, it will show this error. Pip install Pygame. Again done. Then import. Okay, now it's installed. Then it will show this. That's it for this video. If you like it, leave a like, and if you want to see more videos about Pygame, I will create a little game using that. Thanks a lot for watching till the end.